he should be saying to me, but you know, not the typical like, hey, you look good. That's weird. I'll walk right past you.
Yeah. Look, that's only weird if you're ugly. I swear to God. If a bitch say, cause like how else would you greet a girl? Be like, hey, I think any nigga would be like, hey, I think you look good type shit. A bitch only finds that weird if you're ugly, and that's facts, bro. That's only catcalling only exists for ugly niggas. Kinda. Niggas, you know what I mean.